Oh, that. I guess I have to let them find out.
It's a big ball! I need this! I need a big ball. I have two in the basement that are broken.
Oh,
It's big! I got a big, giant, big ball. I'm so excited. That's exactly what I needed.
good.
I need this for my core.
You know, if you wouldn't play kickball with them, they wouldn't be broken down there.
This is awesome. No, probably the dog got a hold of it. Presents. Find you a man who gets you presents. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, hey, it's all worth it. All right, well, I'm going to turn this off while she's going to go air up her ball. She's going to have a ball doing it too.